Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create Doordash driver account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, simply go ahead, open up your Doordash app on your phone. You have to make sure that you have installed Doordash Dasher app for you to create your driver account. And now tap on this option of sign up to Dash, and you will find this kind of interface. You simply have to add in your postal code that is required, and once you have added that information, right, then only you will be able to tap on next and go for the further steps. Now you have to make sure that you simply have to provide the required information correctly, which will also include the information of your vehicle, the information of the area that you would like to work on, and etc., and everything else. Simply go ahead, follow through, provide the information as well, and then confirm it, and you will be able to create yourself an account for that, and you're good to go. So that is how easy it is for you to be doing so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.